Okay, question 14. Which choice in the table correctly shows example of transverse and longitudinal wave? You recall transverse wave are actually right waves or any wave that's inside the EM spectrum. Okay, right, usually it's right wave, so right is the answer. Longitudinal, there's only one type, which is sound wave. So the method to identify the correct one is to just remember that longitudinal waves only has one type, which is sound wave. So the best answer is option B, because of sound wave. Okay, let's move on to question 15. Okay, another elasticity question on current elasticity. Okay, 450 coulomb of charge. So you see the word charge. So once you see the word charge, try to recall the symbol Q. Okay, Q is the symbol for charge. And ammeter is 5 minutes. Remember, when you apply this formula in elasticity, all the time must be in seconds. So my time is actually 5 times 60. So once you see, it's good to start solving. So it's 300 seconds. What's the reading on the ammeter? Ammeter is actually a current reading I. So try to recall a formula relating Q, I, and T. So in this case, you can draw a triangle. So it's Q, I, T. So how do I find I? So I cover my I is Q over T. So I is actually equal to 450 over time is 300. So if I press my calculator, I get my answer, which is 1.5 ampere. So my answer will be option A. So just recall the triangle, apply the formula, substitute the values, and you get the correct answer. Okay, what about question 16? Okay, question 16, the diagram below shows the three resistors R1, R2, and R3 connected to an 8V battery. So this is my 8V battery. Okay, if the voltmeter V1 shows 2V, so once you read this, try to check if the diagram has this info. So it has, just put a tick. Calculate the reading shown in the voltmeter V2. So this is the unknown V2. So notice this is actually a series and a parallel circuit. So these two are in series. So this is V1 and this is V2. You recall a formula of potential difference in series. This is actually my EMF. So I can form an equation. EMF of my battery is equal to V1 plus V2. So in this case, my EMF of my battery is actually 8. So 8 is equal to V1 is actually 2 plus my unknown V2. Okay, so V2 has to be equal to 8 minus 2. So V2 is 6V. So answer is C. Okay, because EMF is the entire potential difference. Okay, it's the EMF of the battery. Okay, what about question 17? Okay, 3-pin plug. Okay, 17. So live wire is brown, neutral wire is blue, earth wire is green yellow. So the answer will be A. Okay, what about question 18? Which of the circuit will be the safest to use? Keyword is safest. How do you know whether is it safe? Okay, there are a few things to take note. The live wire must be connected with the switch. Okay, switch acts as a safety device and the fuse. So this is very important. Live wire must have connected along it, must have the switch and the fuse. So let us take a look. So we look at option A. A is out because the neutral wire is connected with the fuse and the switch. So A is out. What about option B? Neutral with the switch is also out. Okay, what about option C? Neutral is with the fuse, but the switch is also out. So the best answer will be D. Why? Because this is my live wire, my switch is here, my fuse is here. So D is the best answer.